Hi guys, I'm going to explain about my new upcoming restaurant. First of all, I'll introduce by myself. I am Harshavardhan Reddy. I had done my hospitality management and MBA graduate from Monash University from Australia. I was there for 8 years and finished the hospitality management. I learned so much about the hospitality services, and I just came back last year to see my family. I was so impressed about the growth, what is happening in Hyderabad. So I was like so happy. I was been to all the good restaurants in Hyderabad. I love going to see new kind of restaurants and taste the new different food items from different restaurants. So I came up with the new concept. So I've been to all the restaurants here in Hyderabad, but everyone is following the same concept. Wherever you go, you get the rice, the same noodles, maybe it's some Chinese, some Indian items, some different items. The same concept everywhere. Wherever you go, almost 80% of the restaurant will follow the same menu. Was bit anxious. See, I want to eat some healthy food, but where I had to go, where I get that kind of really tasty food, where I don't want no excess oil, no sugars, no salty food. I want some healthy food. So I was looking for that good restaurants, but I couldn't find anywhere, unfortunately. So I was like, why don't I start? Why don't I give a good quality food where the people like it? When nowadays the youngsters, so they don't want to eat the oily food, they don't want to eat the salty food. They want to maintain the structure really good. So I was like, okay, I want to give very good quality food for them. I came up with the concept. It's called live barbecue on the table. So we give the stove where we marinate all the kind of the starters in the kitchen, and we bring it to the table, and we give a stove so where you can cook yourself. It's kind of entertainment and bit very good unique concept. So you will love cooking yourself. So people love like no oily food, no fat free, and so I was like, okay, I made this concept on the table. I'm providing some oils. See, some people like, okay, if you go with your family, maybe the parents or someone will love the oil. So if they want it, we will give the three kind of oils with the brush. So you can put the oil to the meat or the veg items, whatever you like to. So it is like cooking yourself on the table with no oil, no fat-free items, no masalas, and this kind of food. Why I choose Kukatpalli is because all over almost like 80% people who work in high tech city, the IT people. So now they started living in Kukatpalli. So it is very good potential area, potential market for these kind of restaurants. So I've been to some restaurants here. So everyone is like, okay, they're doing the same food. If you go to this restaurant, the other restaurant, they're doing the same food, and they're giving the same menu everywhere. So I was like, okay, I've seen the location. All the IT crowd after 5-6 o'clock, they started moving from high tech city to the Kukatpalli. So it's a very rush and very potential area, this one. But I felt like we don't have enough restaurants here in this area. So that's why I choose Kukatpalli. And about this concept, my restaurant is black and red concept. My restaurant is black and red concept. Why I choose the red concept? Because red and orange, it makes people more hunger. So it's a scientific term. Everyone says like orange and red, they make you more hunger. So I feel like, okay, if they want to eat more, that's why we're giving unlimited starters on the table. So if you're like a non-vegetarian, if you're like a vegetarian, we give n number of starters. So you will love them, you will enjoy the food. So it is like a scientific term. That's why we choose the black and red concept, red combination. Yeah, of course. Once the people come here, why they come here? Once they love the ambience. Once they love the ambience, they'll come and they'll sit. The food goes the secondary. So once they taste the food, definitely they will come back because they got two good points to come back, because the ambience wise and the food wise. Because we're giving very friendly service to the customers. So once they come to our restaurant, they feel like, oh, the ambience wise, the friendly service, who are the managers, who are the staff, they'll greet them first of all when they step into our restaurant. They greet it, they welcome it, and they feel friendly. So we feel like, okay, they come there. We don't feel like they're customers or somewhere they're coming from. We feel like they are our family members. So we just welcome them in the same way. We ask them, how's everything going, what you did today, what is happening, so how you enjoying your weekend or something. And then after, we took it to them to the table. And then after, once they seated, so we'll ask them if you're vegetarian or non-vegetarian, and we'll start feeding them proper way. Definitely in Kukatpalli we're going to be the leading ones. That is damn sure, I can say that, because I've been to, as I told you, I've been to the restaurants like nearby to Kukatpalli area. So people also they want to go for a healthy food. Obviously, if your kid says, okay mom, I don't want to eat this oily food, I want something healthy, I want to be look good. See, my friends are discriminating me when I go outside. So obviously the parents start things, okay, we'll go to the restaurant, okay. Even obviously the parents think about their kids, and even they feel like, okay, I want to maintain as my kids are going. Obviously the society also started changing. Yeah, that's what. I've been to all the restaurants here. Everyone do the same business. Very good market for every restaurant here. So that's why I choose this area, because more like almost it's 90% of the people, like if the 100 people live here, they got only 3 or 4 restaurants to go there. But how about the remaining 90% people go? So that's why. So now we started doing this soft launch. People love our concept, love our food, our ambience. They started coming back. We got some repeated customers. That's very great. Obviously, business-wise, I'll always expect 100%, because the people love the food. Obviously, if they love it, that's it. We are the leaders in the market. Okay, guys, if you love enjoying the fat-free food, no masalas, like you want to be hygienic food, you want to be look really good in the society, or if you love enjoying the cooking by yourself, if you feel like it's a barbecue kind, just come to a restaurant, just feel free, enjoy the meal. You will love it, damn sure. And you will love the ambience, you'll love the food, you'll love our service. Definitely, you're gonna come back. Thanks, guys.